Hello, everyone. Meteorologist Mike here for Delmarva Forecast here on July the 3rd, and we've had yet another hot day across Delmarva today with multiple of us hitting 100 degrees today. Let's take a look at some of the official numbers coming out of the National Weather Service. First up, Georgetown. We did, in fact, hit 100 in Georgetown. Actually got very close to 101, which is most likely going to be our official high for today, just based on off of the information that I'm seeing here. Salisbury also hit 100 degrees today. Wallops Island actually got close, got up to 98 from what I'm seeing here. So also nice and warm, even with that little bit of a sea breeze kicking in. That's keeping the other beaches nice and cool down at 80 degrees here. The Delaware beaches at least. And this all this heat is thanks to this high pressure system that remains in control of our region, keeping our weather sunny and hot for now, and keeping this extreme heat warning in effect for the entirety of Delmarva here through tomorrow, as we have yet another round of heat. It's basically going to be an exact copy of today, except for one little thing that I'm going to get to in a moment. So if you are going outside for some 4th of July festivities here tomorrow, be sure that you are heat smart, get plenty of shade, drink a lot of water, and go inside every once in a while to cool down. Now, right now, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Newcastle County, Delaware, until 11 p.m. tonight. These are for some thunderstorms that are firing up in Pennsylvania and New Jersey right now. I am still not a fan of how far south the National Weather Service has decided to send this severe thunderstorm watch. But right now, we'll see if any come down farther south than Philadelphia. I don't believe any thunderstorms are going to come farther south than Philadelphia here tonight. In fact, I'm keeping thunderstorms out of my forecast for the majority of Delmarva. The same cannot be said for tomorrow, as a trough makes its way through the region. I'm not entirely sure why this model decided to put this as a center of pressure. This is, in fact, not a center of pressure coming through here tomorrow night to ruin the possibility of some late night fireworks. You'll still get your early evening sets off. However, you're going to need to leave the beach by the time we hit the late night, as we do have a slight risk for severe weather in effect for the entirety of Delmarva. The conditions are perfect for severe thunderstorms here tomorrow. Extremely hot temperatures, high humidity, and we've had that for a couple of days. It is, like I said, perfect for severe thunderstorms. And that's not the only day. We continue to see chances for severe thunderstorms last on into Sunday, as the low pressure center that was associated with the trough coming into tomorrow night will then be making its way into the region. Those of you out hoping to go to the Rehoboth fireworks here Sunday night, those chances are not looking good, as these storms will be moving into the region right around when those fireworks are supposed to go off. And once again, like I said before, it is another chance at severe thunderstorms here Sunday night. Now, this low pressure will stall out over top of the region and will continue to give us showers and thunderstorms lasting on into the start of the work week, all the way into Tuesday, before we finally start to dry out a bit. Temperature-wise, like I said earlier, we have another chance at 100 degrees here tomorrow, but luckily we'll start to cool off on Sunday down into the low 90s, and we'll be back down into the 80s by midweek next week.